Hello, welcome to Reggae Roots Market. I'm here, I'm Dwayne. I'm just introducing myself and to everyone and what Reggae Roots is all about. Reggae Roots is a business idea I came up with to import authentic Jamaican food to the UK and sell. So when I say authentic food, it will be grocery stuff like snacks, meat seasoning, anything to do with Jamaican cooking, anything to do with Jamaican food. I will be importing stuff to the UK, and I will be selling local food as well, local produce. So the idea came about. I just wanted to basically open a shop. I wanted to open a shop. But in trying to open a shop, I realized it's very expensive. All the research I've done, a very expensive lease you have to do, and that at this moment, it's not possible. So if that's not possible, I'll just think of something else. I'm a delivery driver, so I have a van, but I've got a small van. So I've got like a Ford Transit, a medium wheelbase. So I'm thinking if brick and mortar's not gonna work, I'll try the next best thing. So I thought I'll use my van and try and do something with that. Then quick to realize what I want to do is my van is not big enough. So I want to do a bigger vehicle. So going around again, looking about stuff. So I thought, let me just go with the food truck idea. So get a bigger vehicle. So i.e. I'll go for a bigger, like a truck. So I'm thinking going for a 7.5 ton lorry. So about 20 foot, 20 or 22 foot lorry, a long one. So then I'm thinking, yes, I have enough space so I can do proper grocery inside. So it would be like a mobile shop. And then I'm thinking, if I'm going to be doing shop, then I may as well put a kitchen in there. So then I'll start doing proper cooked food. Then I'll do your jerk chicken, your everything, rice and peas, patties, you name it. I'll have it there. And that's what the plan is. This is Reggae Roots. That's what it's all about. So it'll be authentic food, grocery, on the go. There's times I'll be parking at places, so I'll do all of that stuff. So going through everything. So I've already registered a business already. I've registered the domain name. I've got my business plan. Doing all the research. So I've been looking at vehicles. I've been looking at kitchen equipment. I've got someone who's going to help me to build the inside of the lorry so I can have all the shelves and everything, looking at fridges and all that stuff. So all of that stuff, looking to register I have to do health and safety stuff, like your hygiene stuff. So those I've already booked already. So I'll be getting the course done. So this is first time for me. This is not something I've done before. So this is all new to me. So I'll be doing all that stuff on the go. So, which I think I can do it. I have enough experienced people around me who's done these things before, and they will give me helping hand along the way. So it's all good. So that's the idea. That's what Reggae Roots is all about. So all that said, at this minute, I haven't got all the money to do it. So I will be going for like a loan. So in my business plan, I have to keep adjusting things because initially it was meant to be like a brick and mortar. So the price is different. So now, because I'm going mobile, prices changes as well. So you have to think about insurances, public liability, things like that. So now I think the cost might be around 25 to 30,000 pounds. Not sure what that's in US, maybe 40,000 US or just under or something like, depending on the rate, something like that. So that's the plan. And like I said, I'm already executing the plan already. So I'm already getting stuff done. I'm gonna be moving on to social media stuff. So I'll be building up a social media page, and obviously I've already started a YouTube page already. So that is to try and gain some traction on this. So this is just an introduction. So as I go along, I will continue to update. And again, this is why I was always saying about the get up to 50 subscribers, so I can live stream as I go along, so you can see all the progress, and I'll document everything. So this is just an introduction, so please like, subscribe, and share, and follow the journey. And then I hope I will see you guys. Okay, I'm out.